Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another Tuesday, another market recap, and I hope everybody's had an amazing week so far and last week as the market's been taking off. I hope you guys watched my previous video, because if you did, I called out the bounce of TQQQ almost perfectly. I said look for 26.5 level or 27, and it bounced off exactly at 27.04. And if you did enter there, guys, look at this incredible run that you could have profited in. But where do we stand now? What do I see happening in the near future? Let's take a look here at the NASDAQ. I actually had earlier today, I was actually invested into SQQQ, as I thought this was time for the NASDAQ and TQQQ to correct. Everything was indicating that the shorts were on. There was a point where I was up quite a substantial amount on SQQQ, but as we all know, this morning the market rallied pretty much out of nowhere. Maybe there's some news that I wasn't aware of, but as you can see here, this is where the morning started and it absolutely exploded upward. So what do I see happening now, guys? You do have to, if you are looking for longs, just keep in mind that we are definitely in overbought territories. MACDs, the 4 hour, you might see they might come together, but you might see a rejection. It's way up here in the 70 RSI, perhaps a double top up here. So I'm kind of staying put on longs. The 1 day is approaching the 70 as well. You can see it's at 66 in the moment. So again, I'd be very cautious if you are playing the longs. Maybe we could see some sideways movement here, waiting for these to adjust, giving it some more room, and then continue its run upwards. So be cautious. We're in overbought territory. We can maybe hope to see some consolidation around this area, maybe build a channel, and then wait for these studies to correct and play the breakout. So that's kind of what I see. That's what I'm going to play. I'm going to be very patient here the next couple of days and only act on opportunities that are very clear to me. Again, all I trade is ETFs, specifically TQQQ, SQQQ, which is its inverse if you want to short, and as well as FNGU and FNGD, which are pretty much the same thing. So let's take a look here at Tesla. Tesla, again, overbought territory, guys. Be very careful. If you do play the long, I'd recommend you go in for the short-term plays. Take the profit if you do profit. As you can see, it's overbought over here. MACDs kind of dancing on each other. Let's take a look at the 1 day. 1 day is already over the 70, so they are due. It is due time for a correction for most of these. Apple, same thing. Maybe again we don't lose that 200. Maybe we consolidate here, wait for all these to correct, and then play the breakout. So pretty much, guys, my advice to you to be very cautious if you do play the longs. Go in with a short-term mindset. Take the profit when you can. If you are waiting for shorts, most stocks are overdue for a correction, but I'd be very patient as the market, everybody's a little bullish right now. So wait until it's a very, very clear opportunity to short. I feel like the momentum's changing. I feel like the bullish market might be in. That might be too soon for me to say, but only the charts will tell, only time will tell. So I'm excited. Hopefully it is the change of momentum. But like I said, I'm being patient and I'm waiting for clear opportunities. Today was one of the most stressful days I've had in a very long time. Like I said, SQQQ was up. I was up quite a bit. And I had to move my stop to where I bought because it completely took a dip. Luckily, it triggered at where I bought. Actually, I was able to make a little bit more than just being flat. And then I played TQQQ on its way up. So I was able to make money on both. But again, I was flip-flopping and then I wasn't sure. And it was pretty stressful. I definitely don't recommend. I'm staying profitable, which at the end of the day is what really, really matters. One thing I do want to make clear is you guys should not be making decisions based on the videos you watch. Again, it's nice to have a couple influencers you like to watch to see for their opinion. That should not affect your decision making. Your decision making should really come from the studies that you make. Now, if they correlate with this influencer and that, then that's fantastic. But again, it's coming from your own strategy. Having your own game plan is key for your long-term success. So with that being said, guys, I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of their week and stay profitable. I'll see you in the next one.